गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
नमस्कार। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात पर ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। I start talking about my project first of all by seeking the blessings of my Guru Srimati Luna Poddar, without whom my learning and my journey of Kathak dance would have been incomplete. I owe everything to her, and I seek the blessing of all my senior elders and well-wishers. Prarambh, as the name suggests, Prarambh means start, new beginning, is always around us, all the time, starting from school to changing jobs, moving to a new home, or watching kids move out, saying goodbye to friends, to letting go of parts of our body. Some new beginnings are exciting and fun, while others are more stressful. And there are ways to show support for your loved ones in each and every situation. Faced with the magnitude of the COVID-19 pandemic, though it can seem impossible to find words to describe what the world, what each one of us has gone through or is still going through, what we are facing collectively is something most of us have never dealt with before. The threat of contagion, the challenges of a quarantine, the challenges of lockdown, and the possibilities of reality of major losses, both in human terms and economically. Students missing out their schools, people scared of losing their job opportunities. Amidst all such problems, Prarambh have been a humble prayas or an humble way of trying to lessen the stress that the situation has created. And I'm grateful to each and every parent and student for being so supportive and appreciative and being by my side, and have always listened to whatever I've said. So during this hard time of pandemic, whatever we did was put forward here through Prarambh. Again, I would like to say one more thing, that please don't judge the kids here who are dancing, because they have learned whatever they have learned entirely online, and learning dance online is not so easy. Actually, it is quite difficult, but they have tried their level best, and it is just my Prarambhik prayas, my Prarambh, a new beginning, a new ray of hope I'm trying to give towards them, that even when there are tough times, through art and culture, you can always de-stress yourself and can be happy. So I request everyone, all the viewers, whoever is watching, I know they might have made a lot of mistakes, I might have made a lot of mistakes, but please take it as just as simple way of appreciating the kids and supporting them. Thank you so much. Few special thanks. First, I would like to thank Sapnadi, the founder director of Chitra Fine Arts. My journey of teaching Kathak in Bangalore started with Sapnadi's Chitra Fine Arts. Then I would like to thank Shomopriya Mukherjee, a friend of mine, a Hindustani vocalist, who introduced me to Sapnadi. Thank you so much, Shomopriya, and for always being such a dear friend and being so supportive through my journey. I would like to thank Shanti Ram for making me a part of her studio Leos, and I would also like to thank Rohit Manwani, a Hindustani vocalist, my little brother, for introducing me to Amrita Tiwari, the dynamic Amrita Tiwari, and I'm glad that I've been able to get the opportunity to work with Amrita Tiwari, the founder, director and HOD of Arts of Creative Minds. So without all of you, without the parents, without the students, I'm nothing. So thank you each one of you for your support. Thank you.
Dipali Chakravarti, a senior disciple of Srimati Luna Poddar, started taking training in Kathak under the able guidance of her guru since 2004 in Kolkata. Her journey of dance started at the tender age of 3, and she has been fortunate enough to get blessings from many eminent gurus. She has completed her MA in Fine Arts from Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata. Dipali Chakravarti is a regular performer in her Guru's Institute, Prerana. She has toured extensively with the troupe across the country and abroad. She has performed in several prestigious dance festivals of the country like Uday Shankar Dance Festival, Kolkata, Virasat Festival, Lucknow, Vasant Utsav, Delhi, Sadhana Festival, Delhi, Badavati Festival, Cuttack, Konarak Dance Festival, Konarak, Khajuraho Dance Festival, Khajuraho, Sambandh, Kolkata, North American Bengali Conference, Houston, Texas, and many others. She has also performed in the senior category of Kathak Marathon organized by Padatik, Kolkata. Dipali has attended several workshops conducted by Padma Vibhushan Pandit Biju Maharaj Ji and Vidushi Srimati Shashwati Sen, and has participated in their productions like Romeo and Juliet, Geet Govit, Kathak Yatra, Rangarang. Presently, she is residing in Bangalore and trying to pass the legacy of Kalka Bindadin Gharana style of Kathak amongst her students coming from different parts of the country. Prarambh, as the name suggests, means new beginning or start. Might not be as exciting and fun at all the times. It is a vision that has been created by Dipali Chakravarti during this tough time of pandemic, keeping in mind that there is always a way to show support for your loved ones in each and every situation.
The first presentation is Tatkar and movements. Tatkar means footwork set to a specific rhythmic pattern. The patterns and styles vary greatly, and emphasis is placed on producing a sound from the feet. Often a dancer will sing a series of bowls or syllabic sounds in a particular tal or rhythmic cycle, followed by the tatkar. When basic hastas is introduced with it to enhance the beat of the footwork, following that particular tal, it becomes a movement as it gets an introductory momentum. Here, the kids are demonstrating teen tal tatkar and movements.
धा, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, तिन, तिन, ना, ते, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, धा, धिन, धिन, धा, ना, तिन, तेरे दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा ना तिन तिन तेरे दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा ना तिन तिन तेरे दिन दिन धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा ना तिन तिन ना तेरे दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन ना तिन तिन ना तेरे दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन ना तिन तिन ना तेरे दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा ना तिन तिन ना तेरे दिन धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा ना तिन तिन ना तेरे दिन दिन दा ता थे थे त त आ थे थे त त ता थे त त आ थे थे त त ता थे थे त त आ थे थे त त ता थे थे त त थे थे त त ता थे थे त त आ थे थे त ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत 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 ता थे थे तत थे थे तत ता थे थे तत आ 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 थे तत ता थे थे तत आ थे 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 थे तत ता थे थे आ थे तत ता थे तत 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 तत ता थे तत आ थे तत धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा ना तिन तिन ना ते धिन धिन धा आ धा
The next presentation is a Saraswati Vandana. Saraswati Vandana is an important Hindu mantra that is recited for the goddess of music, knowledge and wisdom. The goddess Saraswati is the authority on academics and the arts. The Saraswati Vandana mantra is recited by her devotees as an obeisances to the goddesses. Today, some of my little ones are presenting a Saraswati Vandana, a sweet and simple presentation humbly put forward by the kids to pay their prayer towards the goddess of wisdom, Ma Saraswati, set in Rag Bahar and Tal Keherwa Bhajan Theka. Saraswati Vandana.
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, इन चरणों का प्यार दे। तेरा पानी तार दे, तार दे, तार दे। माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
presentation by my students is a tarana. Tarana is a vocal form in Hindustani music, said to have been developed by Amir Khusro. Probably best represents the vocalist's urge to move away from song text and into the realm of instrumental music. This particular tarana is composed and created and conceptualized by late Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. So it is a tribute to the late maestro, sitar maestro. Tarana, set in Rag Bhairavi, Tal Teen Tal.
Tere
The next presentation by my kids is a kavita. Kavit. These are poems set in rhythmic cycle narrating mythological episodes like Kaliya, Govardhan Leela, etc., where the dancer expresses the words of the kavita with appropriate hand gestures, symbols and facial expressions. Here my little ones are performing on a Krishna Kavita.
नाचत गोपाल लाल तक धिकिट घिन्न रान राधा मुस्कान आन धाकिट तक धुमकिट तक घिकित रान ना दिग 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 तो दिग 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 ना दिग 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 थे ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे तथे तथे थे तत तत मुरली धर अधर नीर श्याम रंग एक तान राधिका ने नृत्य कियो मार के कटाक्ष बाण दिन 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 जात जात तट 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 यमुना तट दृगन दृगन नीर जन कुंज कुंज फटक फटक धन धन उन गोपिन को धन धन उन ग्वालन को निरख है जिनके नैन गोवर्धन धारी को धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं। नाचत गोपाल लाल तक धिकिट घिन्न रान राधा मुस्कान आन धाकिट तक धुमकिट तक घिकित रान ना दिग 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 तो दिग 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 ना दिग 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 थे ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे तथे तथे थे तत तत मुरली धर अधर नीर श्याम रंग एक तान राधिका ने नृत्य कियो मार के कटाक्ष बाण दिन 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 जात जात तट 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 यमुना तट दृगन दृगन नीर जन कुंज कुंज फटक फटक धन धन उन गोपिन को धन धन उन ग्वालन को निरख है जिनके नैन गोवर्धन धारी को धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं धन 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 भाग्य उनके हैं।
The following presentation by my students is a Shiv Tandava. The Shiv Tandava Stotram was written by Ravana, the Asura king and devotee of Shiva. Ravana was a fierce devotee of Shiva, and there are many stories about them. It is said that he came to Kailasha all the way from down south and began to sing Shiva praises. He had a drum which he used to set and beat and composed 1008 verses extempore, which is called the Shiva Tandava Stotram, set in Rag Bhairavi, Tal Dadra, Shiva Tandava.
पाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलं व्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् मम जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरद्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकालिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्ठकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्धरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे अखर्व सर्वमङ्गलाकलाकदम्ब मञ्जरी रसप्रवाह माधुरी विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य
Kasturi Tilakam is a slokam of Sri Krishna Karunamritham, a string of bhakti-laden poems offered at the sacred feet of the Lord Krishna. The author of Sri Krishna Karunamritham is Bilva Mangalar, also known as Leela Shikhar, since he had described the Leelas of Krishna with great joy. Music composed and sung by none other than Pandit Biju Maharaj Ji. Here my students present Kasturi Tilakam.
Kasturi Tilakam Kasturi Tilakam Lalat Patale Vakshasthale Kaustubham Nasagre Harimuktikam करतले वेणु कर कंकणं सर्वांगे हरिचन्दनश्च च कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयिते गोपाल चूड़ामणि गोपाल चूड़ामणि गोपाल चूड़ामणि
The following presentation by my students is a tarana in Rag Yaman. Yaman, also known as Kalyan, Eman, Ayman, Eman, Kalyani in Carnatic classical music, is a heptatonic, Sampurna Indian classical rag of Kalyan That. This particular tarana is set in Drut Teen Tal, music composed by none other than Pandit Biju Maharaj Ji. Tarana in Yaman.
Tana tana dim dim tana derena 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 tadadada dim tanana dim tanana tadadada dim tanana dim tanana padi padi padim padim derena tana tana dim dim tana derena tana tana dim dim tana derena derena dim tanana tanana derena dim tanana tanana derena tadari dhani tadim dim tana tadim dim tana tadim dim tana dim derena tana tana dim dim tana derena tana tana dim dim tana derena
A tilana or tilana is a rhythmic piece in Carnatic music that is widely used in classical Indian dance performances. It was popularized by Dr. M. Bala Murali Krishnan, and some other musicians. A tilana uses tail-like phrases in the Pallavi and Anupallavi and lyrics in the Charanam. Some have theorized that it is based on the Hindustani Tarana style. Here my students are presenting a Tarana which is set in the Carnatic style of music in Rag Yog and Tal, Adya Teen Tal or Adi Tal. The next presentation by my students is a Kalavati Tarana. Kalavati is a modern pentatonic Hindustani rag. Kalavati belongs to the Khamaj That Gharana. Set in Rag Kalavati and Drut Teen Tal, this beautiful Tarana is composed, conceptualized and created by Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. Kalavati Tarana.
tanana tana dere tadari dani dim tanana tana dere tadari dani dim tana dere na tadari dani tana dere na tadari dani tana dere na tadari dani tana dere na dim tanana tana dere na dim tanana tana dere na dim.
The next presentation by my students is a Thumri. The term Thumri is derived from the Hindi word thumakna, which means to walk with dancing steps so as to make the ankle bells tinkle. The form is thus connected with dance, dramatic gestures, mild, erotism, evocative love poetry and folk songs. The text is romantic or devotional in nature. The lyrics are usually in Uttar Pradeshi dialects of Hindi called Awadhi and in Brij Bhasha. Thumri is characterized by its sensuality and by a greater flexibility with the raga. This particular Thumri shows the holy chhed-chhar of Krishna and Radha, wherein the dancer is complaining about how her lover have smeared her all over with color and asking him to leave, and in the later half missing him and asking him to come back and expressing her incompletelessness without him. Set in Dadra Tal, Rangasari is in Rag Pahadi, Kesariya Balam, Rag Mand.
रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंगी सारी हो रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे रंगी सारी जाओ जी जाओ जाओ जी जाओ जाओ जी जाओ करो ना बतिया जाओ जी जाओ करो ना बतिया है जी बाली है मोरी उमड़िया रे जी बाली है मोरी उमड़िया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे रंगी सारी
केसरिया बालम आओनी पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे देश केसरिया आओनी पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे देश साजन साजन मैं करूं अने साजन ही ये जरी साजन साजन मैं करूं अने साजन ही ये जरी साजन लखूं हमारे चुन ले ने वाचू घरी घरी रे पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे देश केसरिया बालम आओनी पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे देश।
The following presentation is a tarana. Tarana, a vocal form in Hindustani music said to have been developed by Amir Khusro, probably best represents the vocalist's urge to move away from song text and into the realm of instrumental music. It uses syllables like Dere Nadim Tana and Pakhwat syllables. Now these syllables therefore are used as a musical language tied in with melody and rhythm, allowing musicians to be unfettered by the restrictions that literal language may pose. Music composed and created of this tarana is done by Bageshri Vaij, set in Teen Tal and Rag Yog.
ya
The last presentation by my student is a Thumri. As I have also told earlier, the term Thumri is derived from the Hindi verb thumakna, which means to walk or to move, making dancing steps so as to in a pattern that the ankle bells tinkle. This particular Thumri originally is sung in March Khamaj, but here we get flavors of the Tilak Kamod. Set in Rag Adhya Teen Tal, Thumri Ab Ke Savan Ghar Aa, and Eri Sakhi Mora Piya Ghar Aaye.
सावन घर आजा, अब के सावन घर आजा। अब के सावन घर आजा, अब के सावन घर
सखी मोरे पिया घर आवे, हेरे सखी मोरे पिया घर आवे। भाग लगे मोरे आंगन को, हेरे सखी मोरे पिया घर सावन घर आजा, अब के
जार कागा ले जा सदसवा उड़ जार कागा ले जा सदसवा उड़ जार कागा उड़ जार कागा उड़ जार कागा ले जा सदसवा उड़ जार कागा ले जा सदसवा तो है सोन के चोच मढ़ाओ अब के सवन कर
तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए
निर गम ग निर बम बम रे म ग सग प प प ब म म र द निर म ग स अब के सावन गर जा अब के सावन गर अब के सवन घर जा अब के सवन घर जा अब के सवन